What's up, Nation? Hunter Tom here, and welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna check out my full auto BB gun. Now, what I like about this BB gun is that yes, it's legal in my country, and it is probably in yours too if you come from the United States, which is awesome because there's a lot of countries out there where air guns aren't even legal, yet alone full auto BB guns aren't legal. This video is more about being grateful for having an air gun like this legal in my country, and we're gonna shoot it. This is gonna be our first target over here. Let me show you what I made. This right here is an invention made by Grant Thompson. I've got a mix of Armstrong's mixture in there with some matches, and I've got a little piece of fuse in here to let me know if I hit it. It should make a bang, and I've got it to this garbage lid, and I'm gonna go set it up down there with a camera. Hopefully we're gonna be able to hit out the Crossman dpms SBR. Came out about last year, I'd say, and it's got the fun switch on it, which is awesome. I bought it from our friends at Airgun Source. They are awesome guys over there. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just saying they're freaking awesome. If you guys are from Canada and are looking to buy a dpms SBR or any other air gun, they most likely have it. They're awesome guys, so yeah, go and check them out. Alrighty guys, we got a full magazine here ready to rock, and yeah, just grateful to have access to these guns at a fairly reasonable price. I know our friends from Mexico have to pay a lot of money for these guns and air guns in general, and I think we're just grateful to have access to these air rifles. So yeah, the camera rolling down there, and got my gun all locked and loaded, 30 shots. I'm gonna start in semi-automatic, see if I can hit the target, but it's gonna take a couple shots, so here goes nothing. That'd be important, eh? Oh, that was so cool. I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh my god, that is epic. I have to do that way more often. Let's put this bad boy in full auto. I don't even know what to shoot at. I'm gonna shoot that snow beside it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, what? Oops. Here's full auto. Oh, that was so cool. That was freaking awesome. Okay, let me go set up some more targets down there, and I'm gonna put this bad boy in a full auto. That was so freaking cool. All right, I'll go do that. Honestly, guys, that was freaking awesome. Could have not done that better. But I've got more targets here. We got a variety of cans and all sorts of stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna set this up and we're gonna go full auto, see what we can hit. All right guys, we're all loaded up with BBs, and I've got all my targets set up downrange, so we're gonna see what we can do on those targets down there. So put our safety goggles on first, don't wanna lose an eye. We're locked and we are loaded. I'm really thankful to be able to have full auto BB guns legal in my country, and this is what this video is all about. It's about showing these guns are fun, and we're being safe and just having a good time. Let's see what I can do with these cans. I'm gonna go for that Coke can to the left. Oh. Now we're going for that tin can to the right. Beautiful. We're gonna go for that middle can. Nice, and now we're gonna go for that Cheerio box. Oh, so awesome, guys. I love this thing. Just knocks down everything. If you guys want me to do a video where I just shoot a bunch of exploding targets in full auto like 30 times on this huge piece of plywood, and you guys think that would be freaking awesome, I am totally down to do that. So make sure to hit the like button if you want me to do that, and comment if you have any ideas what I should do with this awesome BB gun. Safety on. Alrighty guys, so the sun is setting down, unfortunately, really fast at this time of the year, and so this is gonna be our last full auto bash. This gun is so much fun. I've had a ton of fun shooting it. Unfortunately, I have taken the muzzle brake off. There is no way it is getting back on, unfortunately. It is what it is, but I just gotta make sure not to, you know, put my hand in front every time I shoot. I don't go, you know, sometimes like this and I lose a finger, so I gotta be careful and just hold on to the arm grip and have fun. We're now gonna do our last little bit, but if you guys have any ideas what you want me to shoot in full auto, leave it in the comments below and I will do it. And I think those exploding targets, just as a test run, those were amazing, and they're really easy for me to make. I might make a video on them if you want me to. It's an idea from Grant Thompson, rest in peace. He was an awesome YouTuber, and he inspired me to, you know, make a YouTube channel like this, the way I run my channel, and even my very first video I mentioned him, so he was awesome. We're gonna go have some fun with the dpms SBR. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Full auto, full mag. Love that sound. Semi-automatic, full automatic. Let's see what we can do here. Just knocked that. 3 shots and it's down. Ooh. That's it, that's it. Easy peasy. I don't even know what to shoot anymore. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I love this thing. It is so much fun, guys. You gotta go pick one of these up there. Just so much fun. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's gonna be it for me for today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow me at Hunter Tom Airguns, and leave a comment what you wanna see me shoot or what you want me to shoot, and I will most likely do it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.